Hello colleagues. After this lesson, you will learn how to import data to Zoho Analytics from a range of different data sources. To open a data table, enter the workspace, select a table from the list with the Explorer tool or by clicking on the data tile on the left panel. Later you can set up the view of the table by selecting columns you want to be seen. To search for records, type the keyword that you want to search for in the search box and click on the magnifying glass icon next to the search box. All the records containing the specified keyword will be filtered and displayed as shown below. Note that the search operation will search across data contained in all columns of the table. Filtering. To filter data, click Filter. The filter panel will open. Zoho Analytics provides a filter option to easily filter records in your table based on criteria that you specify. You can also apply filters on multiple columns at a time. You can also save your filter settings and reuse them at any moment. Zoho Analytics offers various options to format the data in your columns. This allows you to standardize the data in your table, thereby enabling easy interpretation and analysis. The data formatting options selected for the data values in your columns is applied across all visualizations in Zoho Analytics. Let us now see an example. The Freeze Column option allows you to keep specific columns always visible in the table, even when you scroll horizontally across the screen. Zoho Analytics can automatically analyze your columns data and create sample reports by picking the meaningful metrics. You can get started with these reports or modify them or create your own. To analyze your column and create reports, click Analyze Column on drop-down menu. Amidst the millions of the raw data, lies a huge business opportunity. Bringing out hidden insight is a big challenge. This is where Zoho Insights comes in. Zoho, smart and intelligent assistant based on machine learning and artificial intelligence technologies, is now part of Zoho Analytics. Please, try to open a data table and change data representation.